Alright, we have our rainbow here.
Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Adventures Learning. I'm Corban and that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be making a rainbow with science.
So,
stay tuned. First thing we're going to do is cut this paper towel in half. Okay, so now we cut it in half. This is what it should look like.
and we'll go to the next step.
The next step is that we put rectangles here. So
we put the rectangles here so it'll be easier to draw our rainbow or to color the rainbow in. Alright, we'll go to the next step. Okay, now Corban's going to start to color in the rainbow.
go. Now we're going to do orange. Now we're going to do yellow. Now green. Now blue. And purple. Just both sides and this is what it should look like.
Alright.
It's like a rainbow.
Yeah.
Let's go to the next step. Okay, so we put some water in here.
Alright, yeah, we have 2 cups there.
Yes.
And we have water there. We put about 3/4, we filled it up 3/4 full of water. And now we'll go to our final step. Okay, the next step is Corban's gonna put the paper towel in both of the cups. And hopefully we'll have a full rainbow. Let's see. See what happens.
The watercolors, it's souping up.
Oh, it's already starting to move.
This is called capillary action.
Oh, can you say that again? What is it called, Corban?
This is called capillary action.
Yes, and this is another way. This is how plants get their
water.
Yes, so the paper towels, it has little holes in there, and the markers are coming up. They're bleeding through, so we have to wait and see what happens. But look, it's already starting to come through. The rainbow is starting to form.
This is what it should look like.
All right, we have our rainbow here.
Cool. It's cool. So, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye, and please subscribe.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.